Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, again, we've got a bit of diversions in what's happening on the charts between the Dow and the S&P, and I just want to start with the weekly here. A lot of buyers come in here, but if you just be very critical about what's actually going on here, we have a series of lower highs, and then we have a series of higher lows. So that is a triangle. It is a consolidation on the weekly, and it is consolidating in a very, very strong area of what was support once, has been rejected kind of, and now we don't know what to do with it this year. So if you start drilling down through the different time frames, you'll see this level here is what we've been trying to defend. Yesterday was kind of all over the place. We closed below, but I'm not going to say closed below because there's an 8-hour bit of structure right here. So I'm just going to fine tune it to there. That is at 33,542. Now, we've sold off in the beginning of the week, and then we got into chaos. So we tried to buy, and now we're kind of moving to the downside. So, it looked like a flag break, to be honest. Yesterday, there's my flag, or bottom of my flag, sorry, top of my flag. There's the bottom of the flag there. And if you just get to the hours, you're going to see this a little bit better. There's my structure. You can see there's my flag, there's my break, there's my flag break retest yesterday for a move up. But then look at all this confusion going into the close, and now we're coming back down onto this area here. So this is, setting up for a continuation to the upside. Yet the S&P is not. S&P is looking a little bit tired. But in saying that, look at this chaos here. So this is confusion. Refer to that as Bob Y with all those tails to the upside, tails to the downside. That's what it represents. So that is confusion. It's typically something, when you see this kind of price action, you don't even want to look at it. Leave it alone and move on with life. So for me, this is definitely the setup for this index. The DAX is really looking like there's going to be a break to the downside. The S&P's also got a potential double top, which could play out as well. So those are the two that I'd be paying attention to. The Dow Jones, I'm not convinced either way. So I'd actually just get rid of this diagonal here and this diagonal. Forget about that flag, because you could find support in this area or you could find rejection here. And we're on the 50-minute. You can see it's just below and above the moving averages. That's just a sign of complete confusion. Look at your oscillators grouping to the downside here as well. So I'm going to be leaving this one alone. If you just look at this on the hour, the trend is up. There's no two ways about that. We've had some strong moves to the upside, but then we've got this confusion. And look at the oscillators on the hour here, pointing to the downside. So, you might as well just toss a coin. I don't think you're going to get any squirts higher. That's the one thing I don't believe. I think this is it. But for shorts to come into play, you're going to need to drop below 33,542 before you can have any confidence of shorts that you can run on a 15-minute or hour time frame. Okay. Anyway, so I'm leaving this one alone. I think we'll just sit in the sides and watch the others. I think the DAX and the S&P is probably better bet for today. Hope it helps. If you like it, drop it a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.